I just got my new Element Roku TV and I'm going to set it up, walk you guys through it. First thing is, let's get started here. Choose your language. I'm going to go with English. I'm in the US, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the United States. Set up home use or set up store use. Go with set up home use. You want wireless or wired, okay? Or you can do it like later. I'm gonna go ahead and connect mine now. We're gonna do wireless for me. And click on OK on the remote, and then it goes here, set up a new wireless connection. Let's go here. Go ahead and find your network name. Mine's right there. Now I can enter my password. Then once you input your password, you're gonna go down to connect, right down here. Give that 1 second. All right, looks like I got internet connection. Update is available. Now your TV will get the latest update. I'm going to click on OK to proceed to download and install the latest software update. Your TV will automatically restart once the update is installed. Progress is at like 30%. Let me put it on pause. Now it's restarting here. Put it back on pause. Now we're booting back up. Still waiting, come on. So next thing is you need to go to activate this TV. You have to go to roku.com/link. Now you can use a computer or your phone. Now the thing is, I tried to use my phone here and go to that link, but when I do, it asks me to sign into my Roku account. So I just signed in. And then if you have a sign in, you need to sign in, and then you can scroll down to the very bottom where it says right here, link a device, and just go ahead and tap on that now, and then you'll get this page, this right here, and this is where you link the code. Now the thing is, when I put the code into my computer, the web address, the roku.com/link, when I did it to my computer, right away this is the only thing that pops up. So I'm just going to go with the computer here, and what's my code? What is it? T25J. So T25J. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. Let's see what happens here. And it says, let's link to your Roku account. Do you have a Roku account? No or yes. Okay, I'm just going to click on yes. I already have one here. Okay, great. So they want me to sign in right now. Now, if you don't have an account, then obviously you need to create an account, okay? So I'm just gonna go, I already signed in here. Let me click on sign in. Hopefully that's my right password. And then it says, name your device. Select the room where the device is, 43-inch Element. Which room is it located in? I'll put in living room here. And I have read everything. I'm gonna click on continue. And then let's see if it does something to oh yeah. Do you pay for satellite TV? I don't. Then it just asks me, do I subscribe to any of these services? Yeah, I have Netflix, I have Hulu, I have Prime Video as well. I'm going to click on continue here. And now this here pops up. Let's build your channel. What are your interests? You can pick whatever you want. I'm just going to put free movies and TV. I'm good with that because I just use Netflix and Prime Video mostly anyway. Add more channels to your Roku home screen. They're free to install. You can go ahead and look through these, whatever you want to add. I don't need any of them. Like I said, I just use Amazon or Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. And then let's let this turn to the next page. Then you get all this stuff here. These are all 7-day trials. I don't want to do any of these services. I'm just going to go all the way down to the very bottom here and just skip all those. Click on continue. And now, okay, so while I was on the computer, it's automatically doing an update here. Now the last page that I got on here, it says setup is complete. You know, you can go ahead and install a Roku mobile app. You can use this as a second remote. You can always do it like at a later time as well. I'll only do this if I ever lose my Roku remote as an emergency. I'll download the app. Okay, anyways, the computer's done. Now we're just go ahead and wait for this update. Channel update is almost complete here. All right, it says 100% now. Now let's connect your devices. So let's go ahead and grab your remote And let's press the right button. And it says here. And then from here, connect your devices. Number one, connect your devices to this TV, like you have a cable box or a game console, like an Xbox or PS4, etc. And number two is turn them all on. And then once you have everything plugged in, make sure that's highlighted here and proceed, okay? I have a PS4, but I'm gonna do this later. I'm not gonna do it now. We'll do this later. Okay, all done. I'll go ahead and press to the right. And now, give it 1 second. And guys, we are now in business. Good luck.